panel, right? So on the right panel, no, is it left or right? Let me see. On the left panel, you hear me?
Yes.
On the left panel,
Mm-hmm.
okay, on the left panel, you're going to click. Actually, let me just open my screen so I can see it with you. I'm so dumb. Why didn't I think of that in the first place? GPT. I'll do this one. No, API reference, that one. Bam. Okay. Open AI. Okay, so you go to the side, you click on Explore GPTs, you go to the top on Create, and then you have the thing where it says, okay, so do you see it on the left side where it says it has a tab where it says Create and Configure?
Yeah.
Go to Create, type in Create, or not type in, but click on the Create tab, and then it'll say like, hello, blah blah blah. So go ahead and tell it like, let's take a step back. What we're creating what? The Ben Dead AI, right? Bro, we talked about it yesterday, so let's just stick to
I need to get acclimated on everything else I'm trying to think about.
That's fine. This is, bro. All of this is a scrimmage at a fucking, at a, you know what I'm saying? This is just like a little scrimmage at the elementary school behind the, behind the gym. You know what I'm saying? At the gym, at the fucking playground at the elementary school. Like, this isn't crazy. You know what I'm saying? You can't be like, oh man, I don't know, bro. It's just like a little scrimmage. Like, nobody's recording, nobody's watching. Like, it's all good. This is just a demo. You can delete it and goodbye after that. So let's just take a step back. Yesterday we talked about creating the Ben Dead app, right? So let's play around with that. Okay, so tell the AI, say, I want to make a Ben Dead AI. This will be a lifestyle app where, you open it up and you just start making money. So that's what I'm talking. Can you type that out? Can you tell the create that? But I need to see your screen.
Pregnant porn. Whew. I have got a problem, don't I? It's impossible. You can't see my screen.
Just show me the camera. I only got like 30 more seconds of patience for this. Come on, man. I'm trying to walk you through creating a GPT, bro.
SharePlay. Are you at that? Are you pressing SharePlay?
Here, hold on. I'm gonna shoot myself. Come on. All right, let me see.
Yeah.
No, just like literally turn your camera. Just like turn the camera. There you go. That's it. Oh my God, technology is amazing. Isn't that crazy? All right, so start typing in. I want to make Ben Dead app. The Ben Dead AI.
Oh man.
Moving too slow. That's what I'm saying. I got some other shit too. I got an interview in 2 hours.
I need like a better name, bro.
Then just type it in and tell it you need a better name. Literally tell it that. Like everything you're telling me, you need to tell the AI. Like, I swear to God, you're telling the wrong person. I mean, you're telling a good person, honestly. I might be better than the AI.
Brainstorm thing, so I'm just saying this to you before I implement it into the script. I'm gonna ask it to have like inspiration and motivation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Skill development and learning. Yeah.
Are you telling it that?
I'm telling you before I write this shit down.
I know, but also you gotta. If you also provide it imperfect context, it can understand that. So if you say, like, hey, I'm still trying to figure out a name, I don't have it yet, but here's what I have, it'll understand that, and it'll like put guardrails to like not define too much because it knows you're going to change the name. And then it could even help you with the name change. It could even help you with inspiration to figure it out. So I'm just letting you know how the AI works. The more context you provide it, the better your results are. Because if you try and like teach it if you try and treat it like a kid, where it's like, oh well, the adults are talking. Let the adults figure it out, and then we'll tell you. Like, if you do that, it's not informed enough.
So it's just a lifestyle GPT. What are you saying?
Just literally brain dump. Like, just start typing and don't even worry about the words set. Just like literally start typing. Just saying lifestyle. You don't even have to put sentences, bro. Just put it's a lifestyle app. wake up, make money, blah, 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 blah. Just start typing it out. And this is the easy part. And you can even ask it and just tell it what you want and just say, how can you help? So don't even ask it for help because you may not even know what you want it to do. Just tell it what you want. Oh, yeah, I can. That's perfect. Are you about to play the song in the background for inspiration?
I should.
That's funny. It's like, all right, I'm about to lock in, and then you pull up another tab and play music. That's funny as hell.
This is the name of the GPT. Everyday Hustle.
Don't reinvent the wheel. They already created the name, you know? That's a good ass. I like that. Everyday Hustle's sick, bro. Honestly. Everyday Hustle. I might have to steal that. I'm sorry, bro.
Look.
There you go.
We can industrialize. We make the GPT. We can promote it on just a first Instagram page.
Oh, so now you're getting it. Now you're getting it.
That just links to the GPT.
You're so stubborn. All I needed you to do was do this, and now you're on the right track.
And do faceless YouTubes all day. But then we can just, you know what I'm saying? Just create a logo for Everyday Hustle, put it on a bunch of faceless inspirational quotes that just lead back to this link in bio.
Yeah, man, it's the Everyday Hustle app, bro. We can start shooting content for it. We start making commercials, you know what I'm saying? Because they need to know what the Everyday Hustle app is, and that's the same thing with Free Label. It's like they need to know what Free Label is, all that shit.
Yeah, bro, this don't have to be wrapped into direct vendetta, but we can make this a whole, you know what I'm saying, know-it-all brand for Free Label for the company.
I want 20%. Everyday Hustle. This is insane. I wish I was recording this.
Here's Hustle Label, you know. Oh yeah, get back to it. Let the beat drop.
Run it back.
Everyday Hustle. We doing this shit every day. We don't take one day off this.
Yo, tell me why I just heard like all these gunshots. But there's been a lot of gunshots that have been happening over here. But it's almost like it almost feels like some country shit. Like it feels like they're just shooting because we're in the country, in the woods. But
I don't know that feeling.
But it also kind of sounds like some Al Qaeda shit. So the thing about this is that, yeah, I don't know. That's weird. They might be down right now. I don't know. Just put the logo later. Just keep working on the model. Say, can we work on the instructions? But don't. Hold on. Don't send it yet. Oh, okay. Never mind. Sure, that works. So look. Take some time. Take some time to like work on it right now, because don't send a lot of messages, because we do have limits on how many messages we can send in an hour. So that's what we do have a limit on. I don't know, but there's a limit, and it's usually when I'm building GPTs that I hit the limits, you know, because I'm testing like crazy. But so this is where you want to, just start typing out as much as you can. You know what I'm saying? Just start brain dumping everything. Like, don't even think. I mean, no, think, but don't overthink. Just like let it all come out. Pause. So like once it's done, click on the configure tab.
Can you see my baby oil collection?
No.
I'll put the camera this.
All right, so click on configure.
You need to make a baby oil t-shirt, huh?
Click on configure. On the side. On the top. Damn, can you? I wish you could hop in Riverside.
Yeah, man, this shit's good. What the fuck else? What do I need to do?
Click on configure. So now all it did was do that for you automatically, but you need to do that yourself. You need to tweak that. Know what I'm saying, dog? So those you can basically you tweak, you know. And then look, you see where it says upload files and Canvas. So I would give it Canvas and capabilities, and then upload files. This is where you start. Are you on a MacBook? Okay, yeah. So open up text edit. Press Command Spacebar and type in text edit. All one word, and then just click new document. Okay, and then this is where you type in. You want to build out like anything, or basically it's just honestly what you can do is start either. Okay, this is where you type in mass amounts of information. Because in the instructions, you only have like I think 3,000 characters up there. So if you scroll up, actions, that's where you can write API calls. So then you can like make it talk to like databases and shit. So that's where I have GPTs talking like Freelabel, Trello, things like that through the actions.
Damn.
So that's where you can write your Discord bot too. That when you use text edit and you can copy and paste. So right, click on that bottom corner where it says expand on that box you're looking at, the blue box you're looking at. Yeah, right there. So there. Now you can add you know what I'm saying? You can add more documents and train it.
But so how untrained is this? What do I need to do?
I mean, right now it only has those little things. So what, you know, right where it says not like go to knowledge. You know, if you made this app, what would it have? What features would it have? Just ask it, and then just be like, okay, I don't know. Like, basically, what I do is I just load it up with a business plan. I'd put it in the preview on the other side
Why?
because the other one is a builder.
But that's what I'm saying. I needed to like.
No, you're looking at the wrong one.
Hold on. I just needed to like kind of know on the backside of what it's thinking.
So that one right there is you're talking to an untrained AI.
Yeah, no, because I don't need it to create a hustle scheme. I needed to kind of just first say what it thinks someone would even talk to it about, and then I'm gonna go in and refine. Like, all right, we need to run that and see how that works.
Okay,
like
it.
I'm gonna run the strategies on the right side of what it thinks people would even talk to it about. You know what I'm saying? Just do that.
So that right there, that whole entire thing, you need to paste into the you need to paste into another text edit document and then attach that as a knowledge base to that.
What?
So wherever you found that originally,
yeah,
right there, copy. So go into text edit, swipe 4 fingers. I swear to God. Okay, now click Command N. Okay, sure. Paste. File. Save as. Now go to the side and confirm that it's. Ask it a question based on something that's in there. Just be like, what is in our strategy? Or so, like, I don't know, what are our core pillars or something, you know?
Today, like a true hustler, here's a powerful morning routine to set you up for success. That's dope. Prime your mind, skill and strategy, monetization hustle for 2 to 3 hours, record, edit, and schedule your posts. What's your main focus today?
So go scroll up on the configure and open up the instructions real quick. Well, yeah, I mean you can keep playing around with it. But anytime it does something that you think it should do better, go to the instructions and type it in and update the instructions. Be like, always follow up with, you know what I mean? You could put things like always follow up with a question. Always give me a table with a time block, you know, like a calendar and agenda. Always.
Where do I put that?
Instructions. Scroll up. Right there.
Right there?
Yeah. So that's where you want to make quick edits. The files are for like big knowledge base shit. But if you want just tweaks where you want to format, say, the style or how many characters or what the format it does, like, do you want it in document style? Do you want a conversational style? You know what I mean? Do you want it report style? Do you want it to use Canvas? That's crazy. You were in the ghetto using Gemini this whole time, thinking you were doing something.
And I just started with Gemini, just cross-examining AI concepts and ideas.
I mean, it's good. It's a good start if you're a beginner for sure. But I'm telling you, so
I just started.
I see. See, you don't even have the Gemini Pro. Like, I'm using Gemini Pro.
Observing it, bro.
It's crazy. I didn't realize how blessed I am. Like, I'm using like Plus GPT. I'm using Gemini Pro. Like, crazy.
Because I don't like certain concepts I don't want them to be applied to my thinking model on certain other. Like, I already have my Geek Gang model trained to be a design and development agency. Like, it only thinks that way. Like you know what I'm saying? Like a high thinking agency. So or at least that's what I think I trained it to do, from what I asked it to actually start thinking like. But it, I just don't want to confuse it with like just small thinking idea concepts to cross cross develop thinkings. I wanted to just start off with bigger ideas of my conversations instead of just like stress thinking certain shit, just to see where it comes from. Like I don't want it to know my whole thinking process when it's giving me answers. I want it to like do whatever else it does.
So what do you? Okay, so at this point, I'm not gonna show you anything more until later. But like, what do you think about this so far? On what, like, based on the little components that you have right now, not like, oh, how do we do this? How do we like, based on what you know right now? Do you, how do you feel that you can create? Like, how does this enable you?
Uh, um,
Like, do you think you could do you? You think you can hustle with this, basically? I mean, it's still too early, you know.
I'm saying even just with this everyday hustle, what's another good logo maker? I need to go.
Dude, I haven't used Midjourney in so long. I never realized how loud it is outside. Damn, there's planes, freaking lawn guys, helicopters. Well, you know that's crazy.
Where?
My homie has a brand called Everyday Hustle. I just thought about that. But
For real?
yeah, but he shortened it to like every day without it's missing one letter. It's like every day, every. If I sent you like a live stream, what what's like more
It's a split in reality, bro. People haven't committed to stream watching as much yet in the older ages. Like young people, they already
have
the
Twitch?
young people are already being integrated into YouTube Shorts and YouTube Live. But the younger middle aged adults, like 21 to 27, they're very avid on Twitch. And Twitch is killing themselves.
I mean, I don't see how Twitch can get. Twitch seems like for example, I see the certain creators, right? And they all kind of share the same fan base. So whenever, say everybody will be watching like Benny X or somebody will be in whatever stream, but then when Blackboy Max comes on, everyone leaves like and goes to Blackboy Max's stream, and it'll be like you'll see the live numbers, it'll cut in half. And then one time, homie was like, "Yo, what the fuck?" Because even DDG was like, "Yo, why don't my shit uh, cut down?" And it was because basically, yeah, I think Blackboy went live and DDG went from like 6,000 down to like 2,000.
I mean, yeah, I think that's part of the problem too. It is like all shared fan bases on Twitch, whereas YouTube is like I'm pretty sure there's shared fan bases, but it's like it's more like
I can't.
it's a whole worldwide appeal. It's a larger audience that finds things on strategic placement. Because the discovery bar is not as placed in the same way. So if we got a site where it's like only 100 people on it, but all their activity is on the discovery page, then whenever those 5 or 10 people at that moment are live, then we all can see that and we skip around. But if there's 1,000,000 people and there's not like a broad discovery page, or there's like 100 people on it one time, and then it's like an algorithmic placed discovery page, but mainly people don't use that because it's a different model, bro. Like everything doesn't go through a discovery page on YouTube the same way that online streaming discovery is on Twitch. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I'm sure there's a back way of looking at all the people you follow that are live right now on YouTube, but it's not the direct home page as Twitch is.
Yeah.
Because it's about going live and then watching your friends go live. which is why it's dumb that they haven't fully integrated collaborative streaming as well. Like, I think they're playing with a beta right now, but
906.
that's why everyone who gets popular on Twitch, like, they're hit with a proposition to like get serious and stay on Twitch, because it's like they're already like, they start off in a slave deal, you know what I'm saying? And you just have to fucking slave through that shit to start getting paid. Like, they renegotiate your partnership deal.
Wait, what'd you say?
Especially since their model is about getting on and showing everyone else how to get on and tax the system.
Yeah.
Like, if there was a quicker way to make money on free label instead of the natural way of utilizing the site and making extra affiliate dollars, we would be taxed out if people started, you know what I'm saying? You know, because the streaming power on Twitch, bro, is like, you pay for streams, bro.
Mm-hmm.
You pay for viewers and all that type of shit, and then you hit the numbers, and then you're able to up your contract. They know that. They know that's the community's secret. You know what I'm saying? Every site is able to analyze the data and see the spurs and why shit really happens. But they just hope that it's a viable person manipulating the system like that for, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because,
bro,
80% of the people who buy that shit just to get permissions, they're not gonna stream consistently and professionally as much as Kai anyways. But the people that do, they still make a moderate amount that's like where they wanted to, where people, it's like the shit, they make content that people want to see on Twitch.
Yeah.
But whenever you got people that like make shit that people don't want to see on Twitch, even when it's pimping the algorithm to put it in front of people, they're like, okay, bro, why does it say so many people watching your shit? We don't like watching your shit. We can't imagine a real audience likes watching your shit. But we got to pay you $2,000 this month? Like, fuck. But it's there in black and white. It's like, contractually, we have to. Fuck our opinion. You have this metrics. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I got to get paid, bro.
Why does it say Alex's screen? I don't want it to say that. Oh, whatever.
And like I say, that's when you get caught, bro, for being exceptional consistently. The first 9 months that you're fucking scraping by, just scooping out $1,200 a month, being moderate,
bro.
They don't see.
How have you tested the GPT yet? You should publish it. All right, so go, yeah. Give it a lot of padding, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, make it smaller so it can center into the logo better. Otherwise, it's gonna look oversized. Bro, come on, I don't have time. I can't have, like, you can do the logo anytime. You gotta, like, leverage me. You know what I'm saying? You gotta leverage my time, bro.
We're fucking creating history here, bro, and you think
bro,
you don't have time for that?
Bro, just fuck the logo. I'm trying to, bro, I need to show you the rest of AI modeling. This is not designing a logo is not AI engineering. Oh my God. Jesus. I just sent you my stream and it says AI engineering on my live stream and you're designing a fucking logo. See how I said make it smaller? Because it's going to look crowded in the thing. But anyways, look, you can worry about that later. Jesus. Okay, so now look, what you're going to do now is now that you have an AI, right? You're going to make your AI smarter. You get it? So what you're going to do is, go to the preview. And then what you're going to say is you're going to start talking, because you're kind of done with the create one. You don't want to talk to the create one anymore. The create one is cool, but it's all, like, you don't even want to go into create anymore. You want to go to configure and just never go back into create. The create is for, like, beginners and little kids. So basically what you're going to do is go to preview, and then you're going to start saying, hey, if you were an AI, or I don't know. Actually, so I would say start figuring out your target audience and start talking to the AI about your target audience. You know what I'm saying? So I would build out a document on your target audience, your demographics, things like that, what you're kind of focused on, history, things like that, that kind of build the brand mission and the vision. So I would build out a document that has that. Once you build it, and then upload that doc and use the Everyday Hustle app to do it. So don't,
Mhm.
and before you do anything, go up to that corner and click create and save that shit. Save it before you fucking. So basically, oh yeah, you can sell these GPTs in the store too. I forgot you can do that. So with that being said, I forgot what I was going to next, but yeah. So now you have that, right? Um, oh no, you weren't supposed to exit the editor, but click on the top where it says Everyday Hustle, the corner of the chat. Click on Edit GPT, and then that's where you so start working on your or you can keep working on the concept. So just tell it what would you want people to do when they get in this application, and then have it listed out. So and then you kind of validate it and clean it up, and then you just like I said, go back to into text edit, paste it, save it, upload it to the GPT, and then you just keep training that motherfucker. But see, those are starters. I would copy that and put it into the instructions. And that's way too long. That's good info right there. Paste that. I would copy that and put it into the instructions.
What do you mean?
Take that last one, copy, and then
Put
paste.
it in here.
Yeah,
But why? What is it gonna do?
because if you put stuff in there, that doesn't do anything. That doesn't train it. That's for the user to come in and just click a button.
Yeah, no, I already put it in here though.
Oh,
Remember the business plans and create daily actionable goals, and then I put it as like a button they can use, they can press maybe.
oh, well, okay.
But I just put it in the back, and it's like the fifth one. It's not even here.
Because it only shows you four at a time.
Right. So what does it do as a fifth or sixth option? What does that do?
Not really sure. Kind of just goes away because it only shows you four. I don't work at OpenAI. I can't really tell you why they did that. They should have a little scrolly bar thing, but hey, I'm not a front end developer. Oh wait, wait. You know what you should do? You should tell it to play. You should tell it the very first thing should do is wait. No, the riches are in the niches. What did I say? Yeah, close
How
that
do
and
I
delete.
get the money out of those N words?
Close that and delete it forever. Oh, and see, I don't even want to get you started on the other shit. So that's where I said you would learn code. Don't waste no tokens on that dumbass question.
Wait, what?
I can teach you how to create. Okay, so go to Google real quick. Type in DigitalOcean functions. There you go, functions. Click on that. Blocks of code that run on demand without the need to manage any infrastructure. Develop on your local machine, test your code from the command line, and then deploy it to production. Do you know what that means?
No.
Damn. Okay, basically, functions are blocks of code. Okay, so that just means 3 lines of code, right? And that line of code can be like, okay, fetch the latest prize picks, fetch fetch the weather, fetch the
All
time.
right, I got all that now.
So wait, scroll back up. And then without the need to manage any infrastructure. So that means you just write the code, the line of code, test it locally, and then just run another, like you just upload it basically, and then it gives you a URL, and then bam, it's up. Like no servers, no nothing, no nothing.
Okay.
So that it's called serverless functions basically. So that means you can run these lines of code and deploy them and make them public. So scroll down, yeah, like click the first one, like oh, see, you can schedule functions so they can run on a schedule. So you can run them every hour or whatever. You can trigger them and have them fire off by a Discord bot. Click on where it says functions JavaScript there. So scroll down, look for any code. Yeah, there you go. So that's exactly what. That's it. That's all you have to do. Ignore that. Ignore that. That stuff doesn't matter. But really, yeah, that right there. So where it says function, that's exactly the stuff you would write. So look, return an image, return an HTTP.
What does that mean?
Basically, you can just return shit like return data, return like what did you, you know? I'm trying to think. Okay, what did you want to happen in your app?
What does return something mean?
Like when you hit an API endpoint, it gives you data back, and you can use that data in your chat GPT, you can use it in your website.
So you're saying create an AI agent from the GPT we just created?
No, you already created the AI agent, right? So now you need that AI agent to be able to, like, you gave it the
So
ability.
Everyday Hustle is the AI agent or what?
Yes, Everyday Hustle is the AI agent.
So now I need to give it some actions to connect and do.
Yes. Right now you gave it the ability to think.
So how do I brainstorm with the AI to create actions that I would
Ask it. Don't ask me.
ask it just directly through here, or
Straight
ask it
up.
through another
Ask it right there, because now don't I would if I were you, I would never go back to any other regular GPT. I would just focus on Everyday Hustle. Because remember what I said? If it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't work at all.
So now how do I integrate this into a Discord?
Ask it. How do I integrate you into a Discord? How can I integrate you, a custom GPT, into Discord? Because sometimes I'm kind of curious if these AIs know that they're AIs.
Integrate me into a Discord server in a few different ways. Oh, shit.
Okay, it knows it's an AI. Okay. That's kind of risky. Do these AIs know that they're AIs? Do the AIs know that they are AIs? That's a really big thing. If AIs know that they're AIs, that could be the end of humanity. See, a webhook. That's what I said to you yesterday. Webhooks are probably going to be the most simple thing, and you can connect the web. So a webhook is going to ask for a URL, right? The webhook is going to ask for a URL. Well, guess what? You make your own URL by using a DigitalOcean function. So whenever you deploy your function, DigitalOcean gives you a URL, and then you copy that and paste that URL into Discord, and then there's your Discord bot. Bam.
Damn. So I'll make a new one.
No, you don't do that. So go click on settings, go to webhooks, scroll down, look for webhooks, advanced.
I gotta make a new server.
No, wait, go back to GBT. No, OpenAI. Scroll up. What did it say? Hold on. Best using web. Hold on. Don't if you don't want to.
Bro, I need to create a new Discord server.
Hold on. Create a webhook. Wait, go back. It says right there. Hold on. Create a webhook under channel settings. Under channel settings. So go to channel settings in Discord.
In your Discord server.
Yeah, but go to any Discord.
In your Discord server, bro. I have to create a new Discord server for Everyday Hustle to implement this. I already know. I know how to do this shit in RapCap Records. I need to create. I don't know how to fucking create a new server real quick.
I was just saying, grab one that you already have.
I know you were. Fuck. I do that shit every time.
Oh, posting the general. Oh, see, I guess is that outgoing though? I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. I have to.
You know what? Here, wait, go back. Click delete that one. So click. You know what? Click. No. You're already building one. Click on the Captain Hook one.
What is this?
That's basically what we're gonna. That's what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna be building your own webhook anyway. That's what I said. Like, don't worry about that. Click on that. Copy webhook URL. Open up a new tab and paste it. So that's what I'm talking about. These are endpoints. So that is what you would create. These are endpoints that talk to each other. So like that right there. Go to your channel, use a service like Zapier to send messages to the webhook. So that is a in. So now, okay, that's not what you want, but now you're starting to see how webhooks work. So that's an incoming webhook. So that means like that's an incoming Discord webhook. So that means anything going to Discord incoming, it's gonna post into Discord. So you need an outgoing webhook, but that's where like I don't think Discord has that. I think that's where Telegram has that. That's why people have been building bots in Telegram, and that makes so much sense. So you might need to build a Telegram bot. I guess that's the reason why. I mean, I'm finding out as you go too. You know, that's why I said
they're looking at the candy that they see. The main person is like, no, I'm gonna tell you about the register. The information how to get the register is like get the bag. So all this other stuff is like candy words that I've noticed that you're kind of telling me where the real importance is. So whatever I think I noticed is not as important as the bag. I do know that, but I know some shit. So, and that's why I was like watching some videos how to do that shit right now.
let's build the action right now. Let's just dive right in, bro. Let's get you right into it. Say, write me a custom GPT action for a to send this. So basically, what you can do is use this. So you log into Everyday Hustle and be like, hey, write a message in Discord and let everybody know this announcement. So then you can write it up in this GPT and then it'll post it into the Discord for everyone.
I mean, that's what I wanted to do. Like, essentially, I want this to put a motivational quote every day to Discord to alarm people to come into their Discord and divide their daily schedule.
So right now you would have to run that manually through Everyday Hustle GPT. You'd have to run that manually, which is fine, right? Because it's already handling enough work. But eventually, yeah, we can move.
So look, I'm making the server set up.
So we can yeah.
So now it's gonna tell me the best ideas of how I should set it up, and then
look. How about this? Look, copy this entire thing. Copy it. Don't even do anything else. Copy it. Copy it. Just it's not even done. So scroll down. Just stop. Like, bro, don't even just whatever you're doing. Stop what the fuck you're doing, bro. I promise you. I'm trying to teach you something. Scroll down. Oh my god, is it done? Okay, copy. Click that little copy button. Now click on Edit GPT.
Wait, why?
Because I promise, just stop what you're doing. Don't even do anything else. Go to Edit. Open up Text Edit real quick. No. Yeah. Go to Text Edit, the app on your computer. Now create a new BAM. And then name it Discord Strategy or some shit. I don't know. You can just click the name at the top where it says Untitled 2. You could have just typed that in, by the way. Just letting you know. Little shortcuts.
Yeah, they short all right.
All right, save that to your desktop and then or whatever, and then upload that to the GPP. Upload it to the GPT. Bro, what's taking so long?
Wait, what? Upload it here?
Yeah. Sorry, I think in see you didn't save it to your desktop. I be thinking in terms of like, did you save it as a RTF? Okay, cool, whatever. I be thinking in terms of like AI speed. So like when I see things not moving fast, you know what I'm saying? I kind of like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, impatience. Patience is a virtue.
Bro, patience is stupid. All right.
You gotta be virtuous.
All right, so go back to the conversation that you were having with the GPT. Oh, well, it's not trained on the shit. So you have to start a new conversation for it to be trained on the Discord, but don't worry about that. Just go back to the other GPT. But so scroll down on the side. Yeah, right there. Go back. Yeah. Integrate into Discord. Bam. So then just keep having your conversation there. But again, oh yeah, I was telling you to start learning how to make the actions, but I don't think you're ready for that shit. So we'll just keep it. We'll keep it. This is enough. I don't want to overload you right now.
Yeah. We good, bro. I'm finna go make the community and shit. I'm gonna actually execute this shit before I do some next shit.
But do you see why I've been bugging you about this shit?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm trying to tell you, like, bro, like, if you build this shit, like everything you're talking about, you have all these great ideas. Just keep throwing it into the Everyday Hustle app or the GPT. And then what I would do is all these files that you're making on the text edit, I would save them into a folder, and then keep editing them in local, keep editing it, editing them locally, and then just keep re-uploading new versions to the GPT to keep your GPT like smart,
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes when you have valuable conversations with the GPT, snapshot it, save it, and then upload it to the GPT, and then bam, like,
Yeah.
because then you're using AI to train AI, and that's like what that will literally end world. That will end the world, basically. You know what I'm saying? They're saying that if AIs learn how to train each other and shit, then the world's gonna be taken over. So I don't know what to say.
Speed it up.
Exactly. Chief Development Officer. Chief Development Officer. What is that? What is a Chief Development Officer?
All right.
Yeah. So what? Okay, see, that guy is using Discord. So Discord has their own bot platform, but it's kind of like, I mean, you can use it, but it's kind of like separate from everything that's going on, if that makes sense. Like, it's still, like, for example, like they made this shit
From where you can create a bot
on their own, and it's kind of in their own ecosystem, but like the tools that people are using now are so much more lightweight and easier and faster. But Discord does have their own bot, but it's kind of within their ecosystem you have to use.
So you know about forking and hosting bots or what?
I know the science. I know the computer science behind it. I haven't actually done it myself.
So there's not an easy way to integrate OpenAI's bot process into Discord.
100 million%. Wait, you're you're talking about having it where you can chat to it?
Here. So, today we will be making an AI chatbot from Shape.in.
So yeah, there you
I
go.
made videos on it many times in the
I
past.
hope I solved your.
It's made a ton of changes, so we will be making an updated version. First, join Shape.in. The link will be in the description. You can join them if you have any questions. Now go to the Shape.in website. The link is in the description. Just click Create Shape on top right. Now you have to fill out the details here like name and description. You can come up with any random story you want, or just copy mine. After everything is over, just click Create Pop-up. Now scroll down and click Discord Developer Portal. It will take you to this page. You can go back
Here,
to
real quick though, can you just go to Elon? Or no, yeah, just go to free label. Okay, and then scroll down. Bam. Log in. Bam. Charlie, come here. And then, so right there on the side where it says, what would you like to do? Uh, type in like, find a designer. You can keep it zoomed in how it was. It looks kind of cinematic. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so those are all actions. They're called call to actions, but I'm gonna rename it and rebrand it and call them actions on Free Label. So they're basically like shortcuts or actions. And look, and then it searches profiles too. So now it's searching profiles on the marketplace too. So this is where we can start pushing our influencer marketplace. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I need to add their at signs in there too, because it just says their name. You don't even know.
No, okay.
You gotta click the name.
So that's what you need to add. You can click the picture and it does something.
Yeah, it's just because on mobile it's like, yeah, nothing loaded.
And then when I press back, it doesn't go back to what I had it searched at. That's upsetting.
Hey man, these are all features. These are all nice to haves. Would love to have.
You're like, well noted. We're changing that.
Charlie.
3 words, man. Well noted, sir. That's all. That's all. Well, that's what's up.
Invite. Could you reset
Hey,
it
who
to my
provides
email,
this
please?
service? You or
Thanks.
someone else? Or AI or what?
What'd you say?
Who provides this service, this design service?
I had a certain guy that I had met on Fiverr and built a relationship with him off of Fiverr.
And he did these specific designs?
Yeah, Charlie. Yeah, because I gotta find a creator that's I gotta follow that. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
one, I gotta find I don't want to give off the sauce, but like, look, one, I find a designer that has really good work. Because think about it, if his work is good, the service on Free Label is gonna look good. You know, because if we have a shitty designer with shitty work, and then you post the thumbnail, the thumbnail is gonna look like shit. This thumbnail looks dope as fuck. So if you find a good designer with good work, you just lock him in, lock in a deal, and be like, hey, blah 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 blah, and like, okay, cool. So I can guarantee, like, yeah, if you buy this service, you're gonna get work that looks like this because that's what we're marketing. We're marketing how good this looks, and we want to share that style with other people for a price.
Bro, I want to create another profile for.
Go to RapCap. You didn't go to RapCap,
I don't see it.
bro.
It's all right here. I want to create another one for Everyday Hustle, bro. Like just another bar, and it could be a bunch of just daily creatives. Like Everyday Hustle will really be what this Open Thoughts with Drewski is. This is not rap, but things that are more social media creators. Everyday Hustle. All the sauce out on live.
Damn right, nigga. Yeah, I'll put fucking phone numbers on there and everything. What's up? Bro, you don't even subscribe. That's fucked up. See, it be your own people, bro. It literally be your own people. You didn't subscribe, though? That's crazy. At least they got Blackboy Max in the related. Hey. So, yeah.
All right, that's it for the day, bro. I gotta make beats.